Hi, my name's David. This is my YouTube channel. The first time I've tried doing all this sort of blogging stuff. And this channel is about the restoration of about a 1959 Goggomobil Dart. I don't know if you know much about the Goggomobils, but they're quite a unique little car, and this is an Australian fiberglass bodied car. I've already restored one Goggomobil, a coupe convertible, and this is about the next journey. I've only ever restored one car, which was the previous car, so expect a few mistakes and a few retries, but it should be interesting. So I hope you'll follow along, I hope you subscribe, and watch me try and do it. I'll try and upload a video every week to 2 weeks, so we'll see how this all goes. So wish me luck, and we'll see you soon.